Sorry about that. What were we doing? We were looking for Leo. If my dog starts barking, I swear to God. I had to go, take care of some shit with my family and stuff. It's all good. The hell you just say to me, old man? Lucky I'm already looking for somebody. I'll to come back there and whoop your ass. Was that him? That is him.
See you.
Wait, I should save. Yes.
Well, goddamn. You're new, right? Name's Leo Stahl. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn it. Who told you? I mean, I have no idea what you're talking about.
You're not a very good actor, Leo.
Help? What's to help? So I'm a junkie. Big fucking deal. It's not like I'm hurting anyone.
40%. Fuck yeah!
I guess you're right.
To level
I
up?
have to tell them about my problem,
Nope.
don't
Yes.
I just don't know what to say. I've been stealing from both of them for years to get my fix. Where do I even start? Well, I'll figure something out. Look, I want to thank you for your help. I guess it took a complete stranger to show me what an ass I've been. Take this key. It's to my private stash in the water treatment plant. Just get rid of the stuff. Burn it, sell it. I don't care what happens to it. Thanks. It'll be hard, but I'll do my best.
That's what we wanted. Let's go. Level up! Now. Probably gonna beef this up quite a bit, actually. And then... I guess we can put this up 3 points. Why not? Alright, let's see what we got. Educated. Always go educated, no matter what. That's what'll give you an extra few skill points to spend whenever you level up. So it's best to take it as early as possible, obviously, so that you'll have so that you'll get the most points out of it. Now, I don't think we've gone into our house yet. We're gonna have to because we need to sleep, so we can go to Moira's shop again and sell all of our crap.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Wadsworth, your personal robotic butler. I am here to look after your needs and to keep you happy and entertained.
No, that's what's up.
What can I do for you?
Get me some water.
Certainly, sir. Here you are.
And more.
Certainly, sir. Here you are.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Alright, so now because it's lit up, he doesn't have any more. The reason it's lit up is because if I click on it now, he's going to tell us something different, which is just basically him saying, I'm out of water, you fucking greedy bitch. Come back later and maybe I'll have more, or whatever. So, I don't, usually I just don't do, I don't click on this selection after I've already exhausted his dialogue 5 times. That way I'll know that if it's lit up, he doesn't have any water, and if it's not lit up, grayed out, he does have water. So, you know, that's handy. You can also use Wadsworth to get a haircut. So if you don't like your hair, you can do that. I think you might be able to change your facial hair as well. Let's check that out real quick. Yep, facial hair as well. So you can do that. And I'll tell you a joke.
War does not determine who is right, only who is left.
That's hilarious. So, this is where you can keep all your bobbleheads that you've collected. Putting them here won't deactivate the effects. You'll still have them. It's just like, hey, this is where you have your little collection. You can show it off and shit. So, I'm gonna start putting away some things before we go to sleep. Like, don't need that. I don't need that. Well, no, I don't need that. I have the baseball bat. Never mind. Don't need that. Over here, I will put these. I'll keep these on me because you never know whenever you'll find a weapon that uses those. What is? Whoops! I'm confusing myself. This is where I'm gonna put away that. My drugs. Whatnot. Nah. Well. Fuck it, I'll leave it in there for now. I'm basically just organizing everything inside of my own house. So I know where everything is and it's just easier to keep track of. Huh. Right. So I'm gonna keep that Med-X on me. Whoops. Alright. Up here is where I like to keep my miscellaneous crap, like this useless bullshit. And this is where I keep my apparel. What was it? I'm sorry, I'm trying to do this and think at the same time and it's not really working out for me. I'm gonna get rid of the baseball cap for now. And I'm gonna slap on those shades. Bam. Why not? Oh, fuck it. I think they look okay. I don't care what you say. Nah, I look kind of lame, but fuck it. For now, I like wearing glasses in this game, so for now, that's all we got. So, all the stores open up at 8 in the morning. So once the clock hits 8, everything will start opening up. If it's not, if it's not open already, the shopkeepers and stuff will be walking to the doors to open them up for you. So, if it's nighttime and you really want to go buy things but you can't because everything's closed, just go to your house, or you can just stand still and wait for 8 hours, or until 8, I mean. However long that is. So, earlier we got all the radiation that we needed, which I think we're still sick as shit because of that. Yep, 657 reds. So we're gonna go talk to Moira. Basically, we're just gonna turn in this little part of the quest, get her to heal us up, and then we're gonna get the next part of her quest. And I think that'll probably be it as far as like the initial setup goes. After that, we're basically just doing her quests. So yeah, I'm pretty fucked up, Moira.
I can tell. You're positively glowing. Now, just hold on and try not to move. Tell me how it feels, and I'll get you fixed right up. You're a lucky one, you know. At this level, most people don't make it. But then again, most people don't have my experimental tricks. Now, after taking a few notes, I'll take care of that nasty radiation with a bit of my own homemade concoction. I've never had the chance to test it out on someone so heavily dosed. Oh, but I'm sure it'll work out fine. Exciting, isn't it? Okay, a little Brahmin milk, a couple magnets, and maybe a few happy thoughts. Well, you're alive! Oh, that's the good news. But there was a little side effect.
The fuck?
A teeny tiny, mutation.
You bitch!
Seems to be benign, at least. Here, take a few radiation chems as my little way of saying, I'm sorry I twisted your DNA like a kitten with a ball of yarn.
That's funny. Nah, it's actually a good thing. Moore's experiment had an unexpected side effect. Now, when you suffer from advanced radiation poisoning, crippled limbs automatically regenerate. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that's useful. I think you only get that if you do the bonus. I think? I don't remember. But there's that. So, we're ready.
I'd love to see how safe it is to scavenge food from one of those huge stores out there. I need someone to research how to travel through a minefield. And that'll cover the first section of the book. Which strikes your fancy?
It's best to, let me think. Honestly, it's probably better to, well, you know what? Let's go, shit. I guess we could go get the food first. Nah, fuck it. Let's be spontaneous as we get the landmines.
Out there that you can profit from. Disarm one before it blows, and you can sell it for plenty of caps. I've heard stories about a ghost town that's just full of mines. Traders just call the place Minefield. Sounds like the place for some field work. Get in there, get back, and tell me all about it. And could you bring back a mine for my studies?
I'll bring you the whole fucking field. Wish me luck.
Oh, don't worry. No one ever goes there because they say it's a ghost town. And since ghosts don't exist, you can just focus on the landmines. I hear there's a playground in the middle of town. Reach that point and come back, and I'm sure you'll have some stories to tell.
Let me see
What do you...
what she has for sale again real quick. Double check to make sure she doesn't have anything I want. Doesn't look like it. Sometimes they'll have scrap metal for like dirt cheap, and if you buy it off of them, you can just go flip it with Walter for like for the 10 that he offered. So it's always nice or worth it to check
See
anyway.
ya.
So you shut your fucking hole. Now that we've done that,
What?
I like it, kid. You got spunk. Let's see. That's the main quest. This is all DLC, so if you have the DLC, then you'll have this. If not, then don't even worry about it. Well, yeah, I think we're pretty much done getting our initial setup. Oh, no. There's one more thing. There's one more fucking thing. I almost forgot. Almost forgot. Up here is, the sheriff's house, Mr. Sims. And in his house are two things that we want. Ah, shit! That's a problem. Ah, I should have leveled up lockpick. Balls! What am I, like a 25 right now? 20 with the, without my thing, I think. Yeah. That sucks. Sometimes it's open, sometimes it isn't, so at the moment it isn't. You could try to pickpocket that from him and use that to get in if you want to, but I guess we might as well just wait then. Well, in there was a rifle that I wanted. And since we can't go in there, I guess we'll have to go for the other rifle instead. It's the same rifle, it's just in a different place. It won't matter. We're gonna get the we're probably gonna get the unique version of it pretty soon anyway. But for now, it's just nice to have, so we don't just have this pistol. So what we're gonna do? Wait a minute. Oh, never mind. That lantern looked like a nuke. Looks like a fucking bog. The fuck? I'm just gonna save a short little walk. Travel to Vault 101. And from here, we're gonna head west. And over there, not too far west, there should be a rundown little house. 2 stories. And upstairs will be the rifle that we want. Well, that I want. For us. This should be... Oh, shit. This might be a scorpion, a mole rat, or a Yagwai. Okay, it's just a mole rat. We're good. Come here, boy. Oh? Oh, shit. I'm doing baby damage. Look at that. That suck ass. I did put it back on very hard, right? I mean, I probably did if I'm doing that little damage. So. Your radar's on the bottom left, if you couldn't tell. So yeah, you just go to Vault 101, basically. You go on top of the rock that it sits on. That's a wolf over there, or a dog. And then you just keep heading west. And you should be able to see it. I think it's right over this hill, actually. Hold on. Shit, I'm getting messed up. Shit. Little bitch. Little punk. Take that dog meat. It's just more health anyway. Eat it. Why not? Yeah, I guess I'll pop one. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. Right there. So look for this thing. Ugh. Hold up. I'm gonna go let my dog. Okay. Why the fuck is this music still playing? The fuck? Is that glitched? It's saying somebody sees me. What are y'all? Just wastelanders? Y'all cool? I'm cool if y'all are cool. I just came for one thing. There it is. A few rounds for it as well. What is that? Oh, just the radio. Alright. So, now that we have that, let's go ahead and hotkey it. Right there. Ah, shit. Yeah, usually the first few of these that you'll find, they'll be in really crappy condition, so. Okay, next we have a few options. We could head up to Erifu, which probably might not be such a bad idea, honestly. That's Lucy West's quest that'll get us the second health item, or it'll make it useful to us anyway. Or we could go clear out the school full of raiders, or we could just go straight for Minefield. Honestly, I think we're just gonna go straight for Minefield for now. Ah, shit. Oh, it's just a raider. Hey, our first raider fight. I'm pretty down with this, actually. Yeah. I'm so scared I'm gonna save over the wrong thing. Oh, shit! Shit, I'm not... There it is, come here. BAM! Oh, I love it. This boy's coming at me with what is that, a stun baton? Ooh. How you gonna have bullets for a gun you don't even have? Come on. Come on. Oh, shit! He was supposed to get that close. So it's always a good idea to go ahead and loot them for everything they have, because their armor sells for a pretty good price. I think at full value it'll sell for like 130 or something like that. Maybe is it 130 or 170? I don't remember. It's in the 100s though, the 100 to 200 range. So, and I mean even with a low barter skill, that's still a pretty good amount of money. You'll probably get like, I don't know, 60, 70 caps for a one that's already like as repaired as you can get it. I can't tell these people are on the bridge or down here. It's scaring me. No, they're on the bridge. Alright. So, oh. That's an iBot. I'm fucking playing the lottery over here. I need to pop some health. Okay. More rat. I didn't do shit! Come on, get it. And again, the meats are always useful because you can eat them. And they won't heal you too much, but if you accumulate enough of them and you pop them all at once, you know, it's usually enough to get you, like, before you know it, you have enough food on you to fill you up 1 or 2 health bars completely. So just go ahead and collect them, and if you really need to, like, usually whenever you do need to unload some things because you're too heavy, you'll probably be low on some health anyway, so you can just eat them then anyway. So, you know. There's that iBot again. I'm trying to see if we can see Minefield from here. Whoops. I don't think you can, though. This gives me a good chance to talk about water, though. You can swim in this game. You can even dive underwater. Oh? Oh, okay, it's just finding some dogs. Oh shit. All I hear is footsteps. The sound of 1,000 mole rats! So, as I was saying, you can swim, you can even dive underwater, but you might have even seen there for a second, if you step into water, for the most part, you'll get irradiated over time, because water is irradiated. So you don't want to be in the water for too long, especially not in very deep parts. But it's not too dangerous to go ahead and cross like something as small as this. But you know, if you can, you might as well just like try to take a route that it doesn't involve you getting wet. Oh shit. Yeah, we don't want to fight that right now. Not with our weapons. Rat scorpions have pretty thick armor, so either a pistol or a rifle aren't really gonna do much, honestly. Alright, another more. I got more rats for days over here. I don't remember if I talked about the rock behind Megaton or not. I think I did. Well, the reason we're not supposed to go behind Megaton to go get the rock, the sniper rifle that's in it, is because there's like 3 mole rats back there, and we want to save them for later, for another one of Moira's quests. Later, she's basically going to tell us that she wants us to go kill a certain amount of mole rats. The minimum is 3, and the bonus is 7. The fuck? But the way I do it, you'll have just enough to is this thing limping? Oh, poor thing. There will be just enough mole rats around for you to finish the quest with the bonus without having to look too far for them. And those 3 are included in the mole rats that I use. So we want to keep them alive for now. Bitch ass blowfly. This bat fucking racks. If the walks get too long, I probably should have looted that place. But if they get to be too long and nothing's really happening and I don't really have anything to say, oh shit, I'm probably just gonna, you know, like do a little skip or something in the recording. So just so it's not just an awkward ass silence for like 6-7 minutes. But I don't want to try to skip too much in this game, honestly, because I feel like taking in the big wasteland and those big trips with nothing to do is part of the experience, honestly, in my opinion. 33 XP. See, Raiders would be giving you the hookup when it comes to experience. So at this big trek of ours, like I feel like this is like one of my favorite parts of the game, honestly. It's just walking and seeing everything. And honestly, compared to New Vegas, the Fallout 3 map isn't like incredibly big. And it definitely feels big, and it is pretty big, don't get me wrong, but like it's not as big as it could be. And to get from one side of the map to the other, like it wouldn't take you as long as you really would think. God damn, I'm trying to get a headshot and it's just so squirrely. There it is.
I love when they fight back.
You love getting shot in the head? You ho? Hey, we got that lady killer perk too. Oh shit, I think someone's behind me. Oh, that saved my life. Why do you all have fucking melee weapons? You're raiders! Alright, I want to go try and loot her body before, Really? Shit. Loot her body before I forget where she is. I'm gonna go chase after this girl.
The hell with this?
There it is. Come on. You want to try to aim for where they'll take the most damage with humanoid enemies. It's obviously going to be the head. I don't think there's any enemy in this game that takes more damage from something that isn't a headshot. I know the fire ants, they get all frenzied if you shoot them in the antenna. Which is technically part of the head, I guess, anyway, but... If you can, try to aim for the head. You'll use less ammo if you go for headshots. Look at that. Those meats coming in handy. Oh, shit.
God damn it!
Yeah! Did I loot the other bot? I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did. She's over here, right? Right? Yeah, there she is. Cool. You know what? I probably should have passed by Erifu, just so I can get the marker on my map and we can fast travel back there, but fuck it.